Welcome to Module 3, Community and Rising. This is your nature connection activity. As you may have noticed, the activities that we are providing you, we are trying to make them activities that are accessible as possible. So I come to you purposely from a suburban block to show you a simple practice that you can implement in your day-to-day life to ground you back in, to connect and to start your day with a real sense of purpose, belonging, to then go out into your community with more power and more intention. So I invite you to come outside. I am in a small square block of land with bark underneath me. You could be on grass, sand, whatever it is, that is absolutely fine. But ideally trying to find a place that has a small amount of earth that you can connect to in some way. So just beginning by taking a few deep breaths together. This is going to be a walking meditation. I will take you through a few guided minutes of this, and then I really encourage you to do it for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes a day, right at the start of your day, ideally. At the end of the day or any time throughout is also beautiful, but particularly at the start of the day can have the most power in it and create the most change and connect you even more. So I do encourage you, like, as soon as you get out of bed, jump on the land, do a walking meditation, and just see how that changes your day, the start of your day. Okay. Now that we've come back into the present, just starting to walk around just normally in your normal pace. Feeling how that feels. How you, when you're not being intentional, how you connect with the land. And then after a while, just starting to slow down your pace. Becoming more mindful of how we are connecting to the earth, how we are walking. The parts of our feet that are touching the ground, how we are touching the ground, whether one side feels more out of balance than the other. Just being curious of the weight that we place in our feet on the earth. Coming back to your breath as we continue to walk around. Starting to become aware that the earth is also holding you. You are being deeply held in every moment that you walk out into the community and into life. You are being held, supported. Feeling that support as we continue to gently caress the earth beneath us. Allowing the earth to take anything that no longer serves us, with our breath, releasing it back to the earth. Any negative thought patterns, any pain, any unhelpful ways of being in the world, we allow Mother Earth to hold them when we cannot. Breathe into that and feel the release. Continuing to walk some more. Whatever piece is natural for you, as long as it is one that is mindful. Now starting to feel the energy beneath your feet. Drawing up as our feet touch the earth, the energy into our bodies. The strength to go about our day with purpose, with intention, to serve. Drawing that up into our beings. Feeling that strength and light and energy spread throughout our entire body. Feeling into an intention to start your day off with. How do you want to show up in your community? What do you want to bring to your earth community? Breathe into that. With that intention strongly in your mind, coming to a stop still. The end of this walking meditation, thanking the earth for being your support and for being on a journey with you today and all days. I encourage you to do this every day in the morning. It is great for our nervous system, for clearing our mind, for our physical and emotional and spiritual bodies to drop into the earth daily. Looking forward to seeing you next week.